The filter function is a great way to pull in data and filter out so you only get the results you want. So again, I'm here on my spreadsheet. I have my full data way over here. I'm going to go to my filter for a second. Equals, filter. Get my parentheses there. Now, start with the range. What data do you want to filter? I'll go back to my main data. We'll start student ID, and let's pick through the first column. So I want to filter all that data, comma. Now condition 1. So this is what is it going to look for. So in this case here, I'm going to click and hold on the top of my column here and drag down. So one thing that's important, I have to make sure I have the same number of, I couldn't click up here or down here. I need it to be the same number as the rows that I have. And let's say I want only those scores greater than 50. Alright? Now I can add other filter conditions. So I can filter by multiple variables, but let's just put my parentheses and hit enter. Now all the values here are greater than 50. So you can see I am just pulling out only the data that I want. Now, let's say we'll switch this up to less than 50. So you can change that. Now since I'm using a number, I'm not looking for an exact phrase, I can put it like that. So let's go delete this from the equation for a second. And let's say instead of filtering by a number, so you see by number I can use greater than, equal than, less than. Let's go back to my main data here and let's select the first name column. Then we're going to set equal, and I'm going to look for only those who are named Armanda. This was a random name generator to create this data. Now you notice I had to put this in parentheses, in quotations, so it's looking for exactly that name. It's looking for text. If you're looking for text, you are going to have to put that in parentheses. If you're looking for numbers, typically you don't put that in parentheses. Put your quotation marks, sorry. Put your parentheses, hit enter, and you'll see only the Armanda. So this is a nice thing if you're looking, like say you had a set of data with counselor or teacher name, you could search just for that teacher name out of that whole large data set. So a filter function just pulls out that information. It only shows you the stuff you want. Now, a nice thing about filter is I can combine it inside of, let's say, a sort function. So I can easily add sort to it and sort it based on whatever characteristics I want. You see, I only have one data point here, so it's not really something I can sort. So that is the filter function. Pretty simple. It gets a little more complex if you try adding more and more filters. So again, the big thing is if it's numerical values you're looking at, you do not have to worry about quotation marks. However, if you're looking for text, you do have to put quotation marks.